Okay, this is the beginning ASL class on Lakenheath, and it is class number 4. So the vocabulary, we have a lot of vocabulary today, so let's get started. First one is eat. So you take your hand, it's kind of like a closed O hand, like so, and you put it, you never put any, very rarely, do you put any things in front of your mouth, any signs. They're always off to the side. So most food signs are off to the side over here. Okay, so you have eat is one time. If you want to do food, you do it twice. Most nouns are 2 times and verbs are 1 time. So you have eat. Drink is you make like a C hand and you just cup it, okay? Or you just turn it up like you're drinking out of a glass. Drink, okay? Drink. Third one is hungry. You take that same hand, you put it on your chest like so, and you bring it down, okay? Hungry. I am so hungry, okay? Hungry. All right, next one is thirsty. You take your index finger, you put it on your throat, and you move it down. Thirsty. I am so thirsty. Breakfast. Okay, so these are food signs again, and so they'll be up near your mouth, okay? So you start with a B, and then you'll move to a K, but you do it up near your mouth, okay? So you do breakfast, B-K, B-K, breakfast. Lunch is with an L. You just put the L at your chin at that exact same spot. You just put your thumb next to your the side of your chin. Okay, so lunch. Dinner is with a D. So these are all initialized. So that's why it's pretty easy. Breakfast, the BK. Lunch, dinner is with a D. And you put your thumb and your fingers, you hit that part on your chin. Okay, dinner. Then you have French fries, which is also initialized with the letter F. You have the palm facing forward, and you just move it from the left to the right, okay? French fries, okay? French fries. The next one is hamburger. So you take your hands like this, cup them a little bit, like when you make the hamburgers, okay? So hamburger. All right, the next one is popcorn. So popcorn is really fun and easy. It's like it's almost like popping. So you take your index fingers, your hands, your palms are towards you, and you pop your fingers up alternating. Popcorn, okay? So you can say I like, you remember like is with your fingers out. Like, I like to eat popcorn, okay? Next one is soda. Soda is you take your left hand or your non-dominant hand and you make like a hole, I guess, in it, okay? I think this is because the carbonation is where this comes from. Okay, so then you take your feel finger, your second finger, you put it in and then pop it up, okay? Soda. Soda. So if you have popcorn and soda. The next one is water. It's another initialized at your chin. It's a W at your chin. Water. Water. You hit it twice. The side of your chin. Okay, and it's actually on the right side of your chin. I know with this video it's backwards, okay? So it's on the right side of your chin where all these are. Restaurant starts with the right side. You make an R. You turn it towards you. And you start with your right and move to your left. Restaurant, okay? Restaurant. So it's easy. Most of the signs that have to do with going out to eat or the time of day of eating breakfast, lunch, dinner are all at your chin or close to your mouth. Okay, restaurant. Out or outside, you can do it either this way out because this would be in, this would be out, or you can just go out like this, out, okay? So we want to go out or out to eat, out. 2 ways, okay? Pancakes are, you act like you're going to flip the pancake, so you put your non-dominant hand palm up. Your dominant hand starts also with palm up. So it goes like this and then it flips over, okay? Pancakes, pancakes, all right? Bacon is you basically make bacon with your fingers. 2 fingers, both hands. fingers are closed together. You put them towards each other, fingertips touching, and then you bring it out. Okay, so it looks like this. Bacon, only palms down. Bacon. So it's like you're drawing the bacon with the wrinkles in it. So, okay, next one is store, because we're going to talk about going grocery shopping also. So you need to know how to do store. So it's that closed O, hand shape, two hands, okay, and you flip them out twice, okay? Store. Store. So, all right, the next one is cookie. Non-dominant hand, palm up. Dominant hand, you make kind of like a claw shape, I guess. You put it on the hand and you turn it. Cookie. Cookie. All right, cookie. I like to eat cookies. Okay, cookie. The next one is milk. It's really funny, but it's like you are squeezing or milking a cow, I guess is kind of where it comes from. Okay, so milk is like this. Yep, you just squeeze it like twice, 2 or 3 times, however many you want. If you do it like here, up here, well, we'll learn it's the color orange. But if you do it out here, okay, that is milk. Okay, now some of our other signs are want. Okay, you make your hands, palms up, fingers open, and you bring them towards you and you close them. Okay, want, want. The next one, if you want to do don't want, I don't have this on your list, but you just flip it over. Don't want. So you have want or don't want. And then you shake your head also as you were doing that. All right, with is the next one. So you put your hands, both A shapes, okay? And then the palms are together. With, all right? With. So I want to go with you. With, all right? Now, OIC, I have it on there, is like, I understand, but in the deaf community, the OIC is like the one phrase, it's just one sign that you do all that, all right? So OIC is you just take your hand, your Y, you take your Y hand and you put it down, palm down, and you do it twice. Oh, I see, like, oh, I see, I understand, oh, I see, or I agree, or something like that. So, oh, I see. Favorite is you take your palm, or you take your 5 hand, your middle finger, your feel finger, you put it on your chin, okay? Favorite. My favorite food is pancakes. My favorite, okay? Favorites. That feel finger again on your chin, favorite. The next one is old. It's like that orange sign that I did, or the milk sign is old. But if you want to talk about how old someone is, that's different, okay? Because you only have to do this. But I'll explain that later. But old for this sign basically is say she's really old. Don't ever say that. Old is like this, okay? All right. Then I'm going to do colors. The sign for color is like this, color. So your favorite color is what? Okay, color. You just flip your fingers at your chin, okay? Black, all right? Black is you take your index finger and run it across your forehead. Black. I have no idea why it's like this. Maybe it's because of eyebrow. I have no idea. Black. White is you take your entire hand, you put it on your chest, and you pull it out and bring it all together. If you do like, it's just your feel finger and your thumb. If you want to do the color white, you pull the whole thing out and put it all together into that closed O hand shape. White. The next one is red. You take your index finger and you move it down over your lips. This is like one of the only ones that go over your lips. Red. All right? Maybe it's because of red lipstick or your lips are red. I don't know. Red. The next one is orange. This is from that milk sign. You just put it at your chin and you squeeze it twice. This is the food and also the color. So orange, orange. The next one is purple. You make a P, okay? And you make a P and you shake it. All the rest of them now are initialized, shaking of the initialized sign or letter. Okay, so purple, yellow is with a Y, yellow. You like twist your wrist. Okay, so purple is actually twisting your wrist too. Yellow, Green is with a G, green, green, and blue is with a B, blue, blue. Okay? All right, see you in class.